Hey, let me show you all sound and the vibration settings on the Samsung S24 FE. So we can find them right here, and first of all we can change between the sound mode. We can get sound, vibrate and the mute. When we are in the sound, we can also enable vibrate while ringing. When we are in the mute, we can temporarily mute. So basically we can set for how long our phone will be muted, just right here. Now we can change the ringtone right here. We can also set a custom ringtone by going here. It looks actually the same for the notifications, but right here we actually cannot set the custom one. But you can do this by using external application from Google Play Store. I have this video on my channel, so you can actually search for this. Then we can find the system sound volume, system sound theme, and right here we can find some other sounds like the touch interactions, the Allen keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging, and the screen lock and unlock. In this place we can change the volume of ringtone, media, notifications, system. We can use volume buttons for media, and we can set the media volume limit. Take a look. Next we can also go for the call vibration, the same for the notification, and here we can find the system vibration. So vibration intensity and the vibration feedback. Below we can find the sound quality and the effects. So we can find Dolby Atmos, equalizer, adapt sound, and the upscaler. And we can also find the separate app sound. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.